Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mohana Khan, and in today's video I'll be sharing a day in my life with you guys in which I get vaccinated. So in today's video I'll be sharing everything with you guys, the process of getting vaccinated and the after effects, what I feel initially after getting vaccinated. I'm going to share it all with you guys. Maybe I won't be able to record the part in which I actually get injected because I don't know if that's allowed or not. But other than that, I'm going to share everything else. So if you're interested in watching the video, then please keep on watching. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Let's get started. Yeah. It's 12:30 right now. I woke up at 12 and I'm just sitting here right now. And if you guys don't know, I'm petrified of needles. I am 20 right now. I'll be 21 in a few months. But up until now, I have never taken an injection. I have never gotten my blood drawn alone. I always have to have my father with me. I just hug him, I cry and whatnot. I'm so damn petrified of needles. So I really don't know how this vaccination thing is going to go for me. And the same is for my sister. She's also very scared of needles, and she is scared to a point that she faints. I'm not that person who will faint, but yes, I am petrified, but she will straight up faint in front of you when you draw up her blood or when you give her an injection. So in order to calm my mind and calm my soul and get the anxiety and nervousness out, I'm just sitting here in front of this garden situation and I'm just relaxing. The weather today is really good. It's not too hot, it's not too sunny, it's like really nice and cloudy. So I'm sitting here and trying to relax. It's 2 o'clock right now and we were supposed to be there at the vaccination center at 2 o'clock and it's very late. So I'm all dressed up. I have some breadcrumbs on my lips, so ignore that. So I'm all dressed up and we are ready to leave. So I'm leaving right now. I won't be spending a lot of time talking right here because we are late. So bye bye. We are sitting here, we are all ready to go, and my sister is sitting here. Didi, how do you feel?
I'm petrified and very scared of needles and stuff.
We are here at the vaccination center and we are waiting for our turn. Our turn is at 3 p.m. So all of us, we are sitting on our scooties and bikes and we are waiting. It's very hot outside. So yeah. Didi! Please, come here. I don't want to show my face. It's 3:30 right now and we have still not gotten our vaccines. We are still waiting outside. Don't know when we will get our vaccine, so we are still waiting. It's 4:45 right now and I'm back home, but the sad part is I did not get vaccinated because the vaccination time was over. They were not vaccinating anymore. Even though we waited for like 2 to 3 hours, we did not end up getting vaccinated. So we will go again on Thursday and I'll continue the vlog then. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday. I was supposed to get vaccinated yesterday, that is Monday. Our name was in the first, but we did not know that we had to submit some paperwork. So we got very late in submitting that paperwork when the person told us that you need to submit paperwork. We instantly submitted the paperwork, but by the time we submitted our paperwork and we went inside for the vaccination time was over. So we waited for what, like 3 hours in the sun on the road, but still we could not end up getting vaccinated. and they told us to go on Thursday at 3 p.m. So we came back home and we were supposed to go back there on Thursday at 3 p.m. But after we came back home, someone from the vaccination center called us and asked us to go today, that is Tuesday at 1 p.m. So we are going to go to the vaccination center in a while, and the first people or the first names there to get vaccinated are ours. So we cannot be late. The first people to get vaccinated will be us. So yeah, that's that. It's currently 12:20 right now and we are slowly getting ready. The vaccination center is like 2 minutes walking distance from our house. So I'll see you guys there. Bye bye. We got our vaccines and we are currently waiting at the waiting room. Sorry for the noise. We are currently waiting in the waiting room to see if our body reacts in any way. I sadly could not get the clip of me getting vaccinated. So yeah. I'm back home and I don't have any side effects as of now. The only thing is my hand is paining quite a bit. It's not unbearable, but it's still paining, and the same symptom my sister is also getting. Her hand is also paining. Out of the 6 of us who got vaccinated together, me and my sister, our both hands are paining. Other than that, everyone is fine. So I'll keep you guys posted. That is harsh. How do you feel?
Fuck off.
Ah,
I'm busy right now.
Didi, how do you feel?
But my hand is paining.
How do you feel?
Actually, the weather was too hot. I was feeling hot at that time. But right now it's too chill away and it's quite relaxing.
It's 4 o'clock right now. Please don't mind my situation. I always look like a homeless person whenever I'm vlogging. So the pain is still there in my hand and I feel very tired. I don't feel feverish as of now. I feel a little nauseous and I feel very tired and drained out. I don't know if it's because of the heat or because of the vaccine. So I think I'm gonna take a nap and I'll update you guys if I get any more side effects or symptoms or any reactions in my body. As of now, I only have the pain and the tiredness. Now I slept at 4:30 and I woke up after a 2.5 hour long nap and I feel so tired. I don't know why I feel so tired. I think it's because of the vaccine now. I feel so tired and my hand is sore and I also feel a little feverish. I don't have the energy of doing anything. My face is all on puffy. I just don't feel like doing anything. So that is what I wanted to inform to you guys. Now I think I'll go down to my grandma's room and just sit with her because that will make me feel good, I believe. So follow me. So it's 11 right now and all I've done all day long is that I've only laid down, taken rest, and I'll go and have my dinner now. My hand is still sore and I still feel very drained and exhausted. I did not get fever as of now, but my sister has gotten fever. So that's an update. And my aunt who took the vaccine with us is feeling very nauseous. That's that. Harsh did not get anything. He doesn't even have a sore hand. And the rest of us, every one of us are feeling just a little meh and a little drained right now. So yeah. It's 12 right now and I'm off to sleep. I want to continue the vlog till tomorrow morning to see if I get any symptom or any fever during the night or not. So yeah, I'm going to sleep now and I'll end the vlog tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's the third day of the vlog. If you guys know me, you guys know that I don't wake up early. I wake up by 12:30 and it's 11 right now and I've already woken up. The pain in my hand is really bad. My hands are very sore and I could not sleep because of the pain in my hand the whole night. I kept tossing and turning. The sleep wasn't really good. The pain was real bad. So that's that. I did not get fever. The only few signs that I had are a very sore hand, nausea, a little bit of body pain, tiredness and exhaustion. My body is still very weak and very exhausted and I have a very sore hand. Other than that, I'm very good and fine and I feel very good that I got vaccinated. And this is my suggestion to everyone out there watching me. Please don't deviate from getting vaccinated. If you are getting the chance of getting vaccinated, please go ahead and get yourself vaccinated, because in these times getting vaccination is very important. I know there are a lot of rumors going around about vaccination and all of that. Please stay away from them. Don't let them affect your mind and please get vaccinated. It's good if you get vaccinated. I know there are a lot of rumors and you might second guess getting vaccination, but please don't let them affect your decision and do get your vaccine at your chance. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy it and find it helpful. So until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.